Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. So today Nothing have announced that Nothing phones will be getting new camera presets. I mean those presets which are available on Nothing 3A series. Along with that, again like before, they are amongst the first one to release March security patch for Nothing Phone 2 and Nothing Phone 2A. In this video, we'll talk about what all changes this latest update brings on the table for Nothing Phone 2 and 2A. So now without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here you can see towards the left hand side we have Nothing Phone 2A and towards the right hand side we have Nothing Phone 2. So on both the devices we have received the OT update. If you guys haven't received, just go to the settings, about phone and tap on the update section. If you haven't got the notification, you can check from here. So I've already updated my Nothing Phone 2 and Nothing Phone 2A I have still not updated. Talking about the update size on Nothing Phone 2, the update size was 82.63 MB. On Nothing Phone 2A, the update size was 96.84 MB. If you see the changelogs, we have a similar set of changes present on both the devices. But before talking about announcement and changes, guys, we have somewhere around 82% of users who haven't subscribed to our channel. So if you guys find our content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. So talking about the announcement which I wanted to mention you guys, so Carl have also updated on Twitter that they will be bringing camera presets for older Nothing phones, since it has to be tuned up differently for every device. It's now confirmed that the presets which are present on Nothing 3A series will be coming up to older Nothing phones. If you guys haven't seen, these are the presets what we get to see on Nothing 3A series. And another thing which I wanted to mention you guys, now you can set gallery application as a default application for the photos on Nothing smartphones. Like after the March update. I exactly don't remember if this happened after the Jan update or what, but this gallery application can now be set as a default application. For that, what you have to do, you just need to disable the Google Photos application. In my case, I've done. And now if I open up the camera, click a photo and later tap on preview, you can see it opens up in the Nothing stock gallery application. Though this application doesn't have edit features yet, so still it's in the beta phase. And if I also show you here on Nothing Phone 3A, in which we do have the gallery application set by default. So if I tap on edit, it uses the edit options of Google Photos. So even on 3A series, the gallery application seems not to be stable. It's still in beta phase. And now let's talk about the changes. So here I have my Nothing Phone 2A, which I haven't updated. So talking about the first change, in which they say they have introduced a power off verify feature, which can be enabled from the setting. You can just search for power off verify. You can find this feature under more security and privacy settings. Tapping on it. So here we have that new feature which the description says when your device is locked, you'll need to use your password to power off or restart. So it's a nice add-on, but there are few things which I will recommend you guys to use because that can be helpful. For example, if you're using your device and someone takes away the device, and if the device doesn't get locked, you can easily power it off using the power key. This will only work if your device is locked and then someone tries to power off your device, it will ask for PIN or password. You can see device did shut down now. But as I was talking about other security feature which can be found in the settings, search for theft and make sure you enable this feature called theft protection. So if you have enabled this feature and later on someone snatches your phone, and if the device detects that the device is taken from you, it will automatically lock. That's when the new feature comes in action. The person who have taken your device won't be able to turn off your device until he knows your password or PIN. So I would recommend to use this theft protection feature if you are using the power of verify feature too. Here this feature uses device motion sensors and Wi-Fi along with Bluetooth to try to detect if someone have taken away your phone. So this feature will add an additional protection. So this is one add-on what they have done. In the next change, they say updated the design of title bar in the pop-up view for a cleaner and more intuitive look. So I do have a screenshot. I personally wasn't able to notice any difference. Only the color palette had changed. So here you can see this is how it used to look before on the previous build. And if I go to settings page, and now if I open up the same settings page in the pop-up view, you can see we have exactly same stuff. I did not notice any kind of changes here. Only one change which I noticed, and that's related to the color palette. Previously when I opened up, we had the white background, but now if I open up pop-up view, it adapts to material hue. So this is the only change which I noticed after this latest update. There's nothing changed in the design. Then they say they have updated the security patch to March 2025. So let me show you the software information. I did not show you guys before. So Nothing OS 3.0 build number is 1717, and if you go to Android version, and here you can see we have 1st March 2025 security patch. And guys, let me know in the comment section below, do you guys want me to do a detailed comparison between Nothing OS 3.0 with that of Nothing OS 3.1? So here if you see, the 3A series is running Nothing OS 3.1 and here we have Nothing OS 3.0. In my general usage, I did notice slight improvements in the animation and other stuff, but if you guys want, we'll do a detailed comparison between 3.0 with that of 3.1. Then after that, they say they have enhanced stability for network and Bluetooth connection. I personally never had any kind of issues. Later on they also say resolved certain issues to improve the camera performance. Related to camera performance, one thing which I noticed here, now the camera opening and closing speed have been improved and there are no jitters to be seen. Previously sometimes the UI used to lag, but that's not the case now. Also, camera application got slight upgrades. Previously the version was 03.14 and if I show you now, it's 03.17, though it's a minor upgrade. And later on they have done some fixes which says fix several issues affecting overall system stability. So I would say with Nothing OS 3.1 you'll see a lot of improvements. So guys, this was all about the new changes and announcement done by Nothing. If you guys have any kind of questions, you can drop them in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.